Experience driving perfection in the 2013 Scion XD. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.